Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jaya Education. Now we are going to learn and write essay on peacock. Let's start. 1. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. 2. It is the national bird of India. 3. Peacock love dancing. 4. Its feathers are golden, green and blue in color. 5. It has a crown on its head. 6. Peacock eats grains, fruits, insects, etc. 7. Peacock dance a lot during the rainy season. 8. The peacock are found in India, Africa, Indonesia, etc. 9. It has a long neck. 10. It lives in garden and forest. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.